Hi everyone, welcome to Coco Beat. Today we are making something special, a combination of bracelet and earring. So easy to make, as usual, very beautiful. This time just a couple of supplies are needed, so it's very cheap too. Are you ready? I told you, it's simple, easy and beautiful, isn't it? So if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel for more creative DIY jewelry. Don't miss anything and switch the notification sign. I'll be back next Saturday with another DIY jewelry tutorial. Don't forget to still beautiful, smile and be so happy this week. Bye!